Hello students, how are you all? So we are back with our next video about set. Okay, so in this part we have already learned about the cardinal, how to perform the subtraction of set, and also about union and intersection. Okay, so right now what we have to do? We have to find the a dash for the given set in number 7. Alright, so the epsilon value is given, that is 1, 2, 3, and I told you earlier also the dot 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 means all the numbers between 3 to 9 is still there. Okay, right now we have to find a dash, so also we need the set value of a, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that is all we need for this sum right now. Right, so let me hide this PDF. Okay, so a dash means what I told you, that is epsilon minus a set. So if something will remain, that will remain from epsilon. Remember that I told you very earlier. And same kind of terms or common terms will be cancelled. So if you want, you can write all those values as I'm writing over here. I'm not actually doing fast forward, I'm just writing it very fast. Alright, so all we have right here, as you can see, if something will remain, that will be remained from the set epsilon. So if you notice one thing, two things are missing over here, that is, this is having the number 5, but this one didn't have that, and also this is having the number 9, but in here it is not also there. So if something will remain, that is 5 and 9. So these are the two numbers that will signify the value of a dash. So that is very simple, we don't have to do so much with that. So I hope the idea is clear about this one, but picture abhi baki. So we have over here, that is A intersection B whole dash. Now what do you mean by that? A intersection B whole dash. We just perform A dash B dash, that was very easy for us. But what about this one? Acha. All we know, we have to find right now A intersection B. After that we will see whatever we have to do. So A value, oops, again I have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. What to do? All right. Again, B value that is given also. Let me check. That is 4, 6, and 8. All right. No issue with that. 4, 6, and 8. So all we have to do first of all, that is, we have to find A intersection B. Okay. Very easy for us. Let's complete this one first. So A intersection B will be the common terms, that is 4, 6, let me mark with another color. 4 is the common one, 6, yes, that is also the common, 8, that is another common one. So all we got, three numbers, that is three set of data, that is 4, 6, and 8 are the common. So we have the intersection right now. Okay, that is up to this one, it is now okay. But after this, coming to the value of the epsilon. What I told you, that epsilon value is starting from 1 to 9. So let me write the set also for this. Okay, so epsilon equal to 1, 2, 3 and dot dot. I'm using this one because I will do the values. I will put actually all the values in the first one, that is in the sum directly. Okay, so all we need A intersection B dash, and that means you have to subtract this A intersection B from the epsilon. So that will give you A intersection B dash. Very simple, as we did for the A dash. Okay, so let me write all these values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Always try to write all the values. It will be better for you. Okay. After that, the value we got 468. 468. So we know that if something will remain, that will be from the epsilon value because it is in the first one. And also we know that as we are subtracting, the common part will be eliminated. So the common parts are 4, 6 and also 8. So these are going to be eliminated. You don't have to cut this in your sums. I am just showing you to give you better idea. All you have to do, just neat and cleanly do the sum. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the values as we got about the A union B whole dash. Very simple one, no issue with that. Okay, so we are now going to do the 8 part 1. So what is the special thing about that? In this one, the x value or the set value will be not given directly to you. All you have to do, you have to find the value of x for each of this set. That is, I am starting with the first one. The epsilon value is given. So x, that is belongs to the whole number. So all we know that x will start from the 0 and by sequence it will goes like 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, but where it will end. Also with that, the idea is given that x is less than equal to, remember I told less than equal to, that means it will be also less than 10 and also equal to 10. So what is the maximum value right now? That is 10. So all we have idea about the epsilon is it is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, then ending at 10. So this is the set epsilon. And also one important thing we just learned from here, that x having starting with 0 and having the maximum range up to 10. Going to set A. In set A, it is given that x, which we already know that belongs to whole number, is greater than 5 and also equal to 5. That means the value of A is starting from 5, and as we know, the maximum value can be 10, not more than that. So we know that it will be 5 to 10. Coming to B, it is given that B set is 3 to 8. This medium, as you can see, let me write this one. Okay, so x is actually greater than or it's maybe equal to 3 or it lies between 3 to 8. But as you can see, it can be equal to 3, but it cannot be equal to 8. It always should be less than 8. That all you have to remember. So x is greater than equal to 3. That means it will be start with 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 only because it's less than 8. So as it is a whole number, so it can be less than 8 means only up to 7. So we have the B set right now. So by defining all these sets into the given data form, after that you have to perform all these given sums. So let me do the first one, that is A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. So many work we have to do over here. First of all, we need to find A union B. So let's do that. Alright, let me hide this one first. So A union B, that means all the common factors between A and B will remain in only ones and also with other factors. That is A having 5 to 10 while B having 3 to 7. That means 3 and 4 are the extra data over here. So we need to write it from 3 to 7. Sorry, from 3 to 10. Very simple. I hope you already got the idea about union and intersection. Those are very simple. And after that we are going to need A union B whole dash. That means what? Nothing but we have to perform the subtraction from epsilon value. So let's do that. Alright, so as we got all the data over here, and right now we have to subtract, and remember, as epsilon in the front, or you are subtracting from epsilon, so that means whatever will be remain, it will be remain from the first one. So what's going to remain first of all? That is 0, 1 and 2 are going to remain, because rest of them are going to be cancelled by the A union B form. So 0, 1 and 2 will be the value of A union B whole dash. Now coming to the RHS part, let me change the color for that. Okay, so we need to do A. I think it should be intersection. So let me check once. Yes, so it is given in A dash intersection with B dash. So A dash intersection with B dash. And before that we need to find the A dash and B dash first. Okay, so let me erase for this time right now. So A dash means what? As you can see, that is nothing but the epsilon minus A. So if something will remain, that will be remain from epsilon. So if you cut from the A value after 5 or with after 5, all those values gonna cancel. Only something will remain, that is 0 to 4. So that value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and what about B dash? B dash is also epsilon minus B. So that is actually 3 to 7 values are there. So if something will remain, that is 0, 1, 2. Okay, let me write that first. And 3 to 7 are going to cancel in this case. If something will remain also, that is 8, 9 and 10. So after doing A intersection B, which are the common parts that are available? If you see once that the available common parts are 0, 1 and 2, which are completely equal to the set A union B of dash. So LHS is equal to RHS. We have the proof right now. You can write it, LHS is equal to RHS. So I hope you got all the datas. You need to follow all the sums step by step. As you can see, first of all, you need to bring the pre-data set from the given set language. After that, you need to perform all the LHS and RHS part one by one. And finally, you have to show either they are equal or not. So that's it for today. If you have any issue with this or if you face any doubts, so don't forget to ask me anytime. I will surely help you.